Hey guys, Beast again from Geek Guys. You know I have my unboxing knife with me and I have not been excited like in a while to unbox a product like this. So are you ready for it? These are the AKG K371 BT headphones. These are like the professional grade headphones that you can get for like it is like almost it was 25,000 rupees when it launched. So these are like the top tier or the god level of all the like studio headphones that you can get, and these are like really amazing. I got a really sweet deal at this. I got it for like 6,500 rupees. I was like I was editing actually जो last tech news थी, I was editing on these. These are my go-to the Razer Kraken Pro V2. So इनको मैंने 2019 में buy किया था, and these are like a tank, but the ear cups have deteriorated like shiz, and all the rubber around the ear cup, it was like sticking onto my face, so they had to go. And especially जो इनके replacement ear cups हैं, these are not available in India as of now, so वो भी एक बड़ा issue था. But let's skip that. So I've got almost each and every one. यहाँ पर मेरे पास in-ear style भी हैं, मेरे पास truly wireless भी हैं, neck band भी है मेरे पास जो OnePlus का है, and the Bluetooth speakers like Beoplay A1 and the Bose SoundLink Revolve Plus. But the crown jewel, the headphones were missing, and now I have got these. So let's try to unbox this and take the first look at the headphones. Okay, so AKG, if you know that it is a premium brand for like audiophiles. As you can see, this is like kind of a presentation. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो, it is like lined with foam, as same was the Razer ones. So these are the headphones, and ooh, let's keep them to the side. Okay, so this is like a cardboard. So there is also like a gold plated jack. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो. This is for like if you are using a dedicated amp or something, so it is like really necessary. So it is there. So we'll keep this to the side, and whoa, we get a really great bag. And यहाँ पर headphones and another thing. Let's keep this to the side and let's check out. Whoa. पाउच की क्वालिटी काफ़ी अच्छी है. इट इज़ लाइक वेरी सॉफ्ट फ्रॉम द इनसाइड, एंड वी हैव गॉट अ प्लेथरा ऑफ केबल्स. सो यहाँ पर हमारी एक नॉर्मल, इट इज़ लाइक 1 मीटर और समथिंग, दिस इज़ दैट. एंड सैड टू सी इट हैज़ माइक्रो USB, बट एट दिस पॉइंट इवन इफ आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट, कुछ ना कुछ चीज़ ऐसी रह जाती है दैट यूजेस स्टिल माइक्रो USB. सो आई हैव टू कीप वन केबल. सो आई जम्प्ड द गन. I thought leave it, I should just buy it even if it has like USB micro. So it has one coiled cable, so it is good if you are like sitting on a table, so that कि अगर आप by chance उठ जाते हो तो it will not like snap out. So it has a different connector at the headphone end, और normally जो दूसरा end है वो यहाँ पर हमें normal, तो दूसरी side में हमें 3.5 mm मिलता है. That is like common at every smartphone, at least for those who have headphone jack. So यहाँ पर लेट्स कीप ऑल दिस टू द साइड, एंड दिस बैग इज़ रियली गुड. यहाँ पर आपको AKG ब्रांडिंग मिलती है विद द लोगो ऑफ AKG अबव. नाउ लेट्स चेक आउट द हेडफोन्स. दीज हेडफोन्स हैव बीन स्टेटेड टू बी एन एयरपॉड्स मैक्स किलर. वो फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशंस, इट इज़ अ बिट वेटी. यहाँ पर आपको वेट मिलता है, एंड these feel extremely premium. So these headphones can swivel like in like 180 degrees. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो it can swivel up to 180 degrees, so that यहाँ पर आप उसको carry करने में आपको आसानी हो. So as you can see how compact these become, and you have to just like keep them in this like pouch, and you are ready to go. But these are not at all like यहाँ पर आप इनको बिल्कुल भी स्विवल वगैरह नहीं कर सकते हो. तो यहाँ पर ये मोस्टली जो है ये मॉनिटरिंग के लिए. एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पर इसके पीसेस जो हैं वो ऑलरेडी अभी निकल रहे हैं हेडफोन के. सो दीज आर लाइक रियली डिट्यूरेटेड. सो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो इट इज़ लाइक वेरी सेटिस्फाइंग क्लिक्स. यहाँ पर दिस इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ हेडफोन दैट यू विल यूज़ इन लाइक स्टूडियोज़ एंड इवन लाइक हाई एंड. अगर आपको गेमिंग वगैरह करते हो, स्ट्रीमिंग करते हो, सो मॉनिटरिंग के लिए काफ़ी अच्छे हेडफोन्स हैं. एंड स्पेशली व्हेन यू गॉट द AKG बैज। और ये जो है AKG के एक जो उनका हारमोनी कर्व है उसके हिसाब से ट्यून हो रखे हैं। सो these are really great in terms of audio. These are not for everyone, especially for the bass heads. This is like a no-go. You should not buy this. But if you have like a little sense of music, these are like really treat to your ears because these are so good. So the connecting end of it is a mini XLR port. So ये जो mini XLR port है ये mostly आपको amps वगैरह पर मिलेगा, और mini XLR to big XLR जो है normal XLR converter आपको मिल जाता है like very easily. जो ये headphone है ये K371 है, जो 361 थे उसमें आपको 3.5mm जैक मिलता था, but this has the XLR. So यहाँ पर आपको XLR पोर्ट मिलता है. So this is like really good in terms of like audio quality. But वो जो पिछला था वो ट्विस्ट लॉक वाला था, that was like quite proprietary. But this mini XLR केबल ये आपको काफ़ी like normally मिल जाएगी on Amazon and everything. And the best part about these, ये one of the rarest pairs हैं जो स्टूडियो मॉनिटरिंग के लिए भी काम आ सकते हैं, and they have Bluetooth. So ये जो है Bluetooth 5 के साथ आते हैं. That is not the latest and the greatest, but it is something that is like quite sufficient in like today's day and age also, and especially that they have like rotation that much. So यहाँ पर आपको जो है DJ monitoring के लिए भी ये काफ़ी जैसे बोलते हैं comfortable होने वाले हैं. One distinguishing feature between these and the previous one, so जो पुराने थे 36-1BT उनमें जो ये चीज़ थी ये पूरी metal की थी, but this is like metallic now. So यहाँ पर जो AKG का लोगो है वो embossed है यहाँ पर rather than like printed on. So जो पिछली जनरेशन का था उसमें embossed नहीं था. And these have titanium coated 50mm drivers. These behemoths have 40mm drivers and these are like 50mm. And this round circle यहाँ पर AKG लिखा है, these have touch controls. And yeah, that's it. यहाँ पर आपको एक on off switch मिलता है and micro USB for charging. That's it. So I guess it's time to like wear them and see how they are like. Should I try wired or wireless? I think so wireless should be. These also compete with the likes of Audio-Technica M50X और जो Sony के WH-1000 XM4s हैं उनके साथ भी headphones जो है वो compete करते हैं, but these do not have like any kind of noise cancelling or anything. So the main emphasis is on the audio quality. So audio quality we have to check. I've connected them with my phone, but weirdly it does not have like aptX HD or something, but AAC he has me. So AAC is higher enough, but not that much. You probably are hearing the music. These are loud. So I've tried it with the Bluetooth. Now I want to try it with the cable. So let's plug in the cable, and this phone has like hi-fi audio. So यहाँ पर हमें एक थोड़ा अच्छा जैसे बोलते हैं साउंड सोर्स भी मिल जाएगा. So we have to see how it performs like in the wired mode. So these have really like a very clean audio. अगर आप इसको full volume पे भी सुनते हैं, these are not going to distort at all because the audio quality is insanely clear on these. Even if you are using Bluetooth or wired mode, mostly the audio quality is same, but Bluetooth में थोड़ी आपको जो है quality कम मिलती है. But all in all, these have like a really great sound stage. But if you are a like bass head, these are not for you. Just skip this video. This video ain't for you at all. But if you care about music and like you need clear music, these are like amazing. So I have to test them like vigorously over the course of time, like a week or so. उसके बाद ही मैं आपको जो है इसका proper एक दे पाऊँगा conclusion, because the drivers also need some burn in. Mostly यहाँ पर आपको left side पे सारे controls मिलते हैं. Double tap will pause and play. Swipe up will increase the volume. Swipe down will decrease the volume. And left right swipes will like make your tracks next or previous. So यहाँ पर जो है these are like one of the like crown jewels for me right now for my like audio experience. So guys, stay tuned for the full review of these, and this was just like the first look and unboxing. So guys, that's it for this video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी, please make sure to like this video and consider subscribing to my channel. This has been Beast from Geek guys, and hope to see you in my next video. Thank you guys.